There's a quote from legendary mountaineer Alex Lowe. The best climber in the world is the one who's having the most fun. I love it, but for singers, I would like to tweak it a little. The best singer in the world is the one who's having the most fun playing outside their comfort zone. Why is this true, and how can it make you a better singer? First off, if you're having fun, you don't need discipline. Because you love it so, you'll sing so much your neighbors will file a noise complaint or start a fan club, depending on their taste. But here's the catch. Just randomly singing a ton isn't enough. I know plenty of people who seem to be singing non-stop, but they also seem to never get any better. Why? Because they keep singing the same songs in the same way. They're stuck in their comfort zone. It's like hitting the gym and lifting the same cute little dumbbell every time. You might stay in shape, but you're definitely not improving. Now, when you play outside of your comfort zone, that's where the magic happens. If you do so, it's inevitable that your comfort zone will stretch. Every awkward note, risky riff, and new sound is like adding weight to the bar. You could say the best singer in the world is the one with the biggest comfort zone, the one who feels most comfortable doing what great singers do. So today, have fun singing something that scares you a little, that makes you wonder, would I be able to do that? Push yourself a bit. Dare to sound messy, raw, even ugly. That's when you know you're doing it right. And then be proud of daring to go there. A great way to have fun growing your comfort zone is through my free ABC voice model mini course. It'll have you singing higher than you knew you could sing and making sounds you didn't know you could make. Click here to get it for free, or click here to watch another video I think you'll like.